Okay, so we're following the road ahead.
Okay.
We'll remain in this lane, and we're then following the signs for York.
For York, yeah.
And we can see the sign there saying ahead in this lane.
Okay.
And we'll then go down the slip road, and we need to utilise the whole slip road
Okay.
to come onto the main carriageway.
Alright.
So now I'm looking at the yellow car,
Yeah.
and I'll be turning left where that silver taxi is here.
Okay.
Good. That's fine. Make sure you're in lane 1. That's fine. Good. And now, remember there's one lane here, but there's enough room for 2 cars, so be careful.
Oh, okay. So is it right for me to stay here?
Yes.
Where I am right now?
That's correct,
Okay.
yes. Now keep your speed appropriate, so let's keep our speed at least 30. A little bit more to the left. Now if we glance down the dual carriageway, we can see it's not that busy.
Yeah.
So now come closer to the left. Now start your routine for going onto the carriageway. So check your mirrors and signal right. Go a little faster. That's fine. The speed limit is 40 now, okay? So increase your speed, check your right door mirror, use it as much as you can, use the slip rod. That's good. Now cancel your signal. And that's fine, now relax.
That felt scary.
It is, it's something that you need to learn, and
Yeah,
it's something that you need to
definitely.
understand.
Yeah, I understand
And rather
that.
than taking you on shortcuts, it's best that we use high speed
other
roads,
things, yeah.
so we start to understand how they work.
Definitely.
How do you feel that went?
Alright, yeah.
I think you did okay.
Yeah.
I think you need to keep an eye on your speed though. Look at your speed now. You're
Yeah.
dropping your speed.
Oh, okay.
It's 40.
Yeah.
You must keep a very safe, reasonable speed.
Yeah. So I'm not
And
going to
keep
see
up with everyone. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you keep up with everybody. And any idea what the dangers could be if you go too slow?
Because you can stop traffic, so you can cause collisions and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.